What's up guys, it's really warm today, like 30 degrees, so I'm going to use a water hose to do some tricks on the trampoline.
Feel distant from old friends, close to the new ones. Guess I'm in my feelings, but at least I be true, son. You say that I'm fucking up, yet I think that I'm soon on. I do it for a city that don't listen to you, bruh. Yeah, I say it all because I do it all. You say it all because you wish you could. Got my homies that are down to ride. I see you trying, but it isn't good. New shit we made in the stoop. Hop up in the Benz, then we go for a cruise. City lights flashing by in a blur. What's the word? My phone is never ringing, no one's saying a word. Sometimes I feel like I ain't supposed to live. Sometimes I feel like I should end it all. Sometimes I think that I should take a drink, but I don't really touch that alcohol. Sometimes I feel like I should leave a call, but I know that you don't want that shit. But then I slip and I'ma leave that call. Fuck, I wish I could erase that shit. No, I gotta man up and then just face that shit. Say what's really on my mind and hope you take that shit. But I can't, I feel scared like I ain't made for this. I ain't made for this. You said that you would be up on
12th we reached 1500 subscribers. Yesterday we gained 20 subscribers in one day. And we've also reached 2.5k on Instagram. Ewout and I are going to a spot and we're going to take one of those bouncy mattresses with us.
To tell me if you're down the road, 'cause we can run a couple.
We're going to jump off this edge with a bouncy mattress. Good edge to castaways and stuff. We're gonna put the bouncy mattress right there and run from here, jump and quad front. Gonna end this vlog right here. Tomorrow we're coming here with the Steadicam, going to film for a summer video with the bouncy mattress. So I'm going to be back tomorrow with another video about this. So yeah, thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.